Last month, after the Federal Reserve ended its quantitative easing program, the Bank of Japan expanded its own bond buying quantitative easing. Tokyo's goal in increasing the money supply is to keep interest rates low to stimulate more borrowing and spending, which in turn could boost economic growth and lift inflation closer to their 2% annual target. Japan's economy shrank more than 7% in the second quarter of this year and another 1.6% in the third quarter, showing that the economy is in recession with 2 straight quarters of negative growth. Japan's government debt is already $11 trillion. Its debt to GDP ratio is higher than any other developed country at a ratio of almost 250%. Such high levels of sovereign debt drain an economy of its long-term growth potential. In the shorter term, however, the actions in Japan may create interesting investment opportunities. Japanese equities are likely to rise as the public pension fund piles into the stock market. The yen can be expected to continue to fall against the dollar, and any gold may also gain against the yen as an alternative source of value as the dollar strengthens. That is your investment minute for this week. Have a great Thanksgiving weekend, and we will see you next week.